Hi, this is Ken Baker with Sunstoppers. We are here at the Lidl store that's going up in South Charlotte. We do all the roller shades for all the Lidl grocery stores in North and South Carolina. We also take care of all the discount tire stores as well under construction. And the Chipotle, we did a Perry's Steakhouse up in Raleigh recently. We definitely go from commercial shopping to commercial dining as well. Today, the guys are installing the roller shades. The nice thing about Roll is they use a spring-loaded idler. So as we're installing the roller shade, we stick the idler in here. It pushes towards the roller or towards the idler end, and that allows them to swing the motor into place. We have a safety clip that we pop in after the shade's installed, and that keeps the motor from popping out or sliding out, so it secures everything together nicely. The manufacturer, we send them the measurements of the panels, so we will measure from center mullion to center mullion, and so we let them know where there's any columns or obstructions in the way. We'll also let them know where the electrician has power set up. Once they look at that plan, they can actually go in and they'll lay out 2 panels on each tube. Of course, every once in a while we'll have a single just because of the number of windows. So we have 3 shades at the far end of the building today. You can see we've got a total of 13 across the front. Each one of these sizes at the top will tell us which shade we're pulling out of the box and carrying over. It's the shade and the fascia are already cut to these sizes here. So if we need to make any adjustments on site, we can do that. Sometimes we're going to run into situations where we need to make adjustments in the length of the shades and the fascia. So we can actually use your chop saw with a special blade. We cut about 7/8 off of this roller shade here today to get it a nice tight fit and make everything look correct. And then the fascia, basically same thing, we'll tape it off, we'll mark it, and we'll run the chop saw through it. And that gives us exactly what we need to get a nice clean installation. First, we will start with mounting the brackets. Once we get the brackets up and going, then we can install that roller shade and run our cords over. We've got 16 roller shades going in today, so this install should take anywhere between 4 and 5 hours with 2 guys doing majority of the work. So after we get the roller shades installed, we will go ahead and set the upper and lower limits. We have a tool that basically taps onto these wires here. That'll allow us to set how far the shade hangs out of the top of the roller shade, and then once we stop it down at the bottom of the floor. Also, we've got some counters on this store today, so we'll actually stop the roller shades just above the counter so they don't touch. Some of the shades that you'll see today will have 2 panels on 1 roller, and then we have some that are going to be smaller roller shades that'll have just a single panel. If you guys have any needs or any questions on roller shades, blinds, or plantation shutters, definitely give myself, Ross, or Thad a call. We're happy to help you out here at Sunstoppers.